ଗୋଟେ ବସିବୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା $20
କ'ଣ କରିବୁ
$50 one ride ଏଇଠି ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇବୁ କେତେ ବସିବୁ ଏଇପଟୁ ଯିବା Thank you. ନବୁ ସାଇକେଲ ଏଇଟା ପୁରା ଦେଖା ହବ ଆଉ ଚେନ୍ ଭିତରେ ହେଇଥିବ ଏଇଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ବି ଫରେଷ୍ଟ Let's see. Utiu. This is the fall colors. Be careful. No, say you. Buddha and Buddha Gandha. So these are the fall colors in Central Park. The US is or America is the largest park. US's largest park. People are enjoying. We'll see the fall colors. See the fall colors. All the leaves are now yellow. This is the color change. This is so good. Central Park is so beautiful with this fall colors, you know. So it's a pretty sunny day, so everyone is enjoying. So for Central Park, whoever comes to Central Park, they need to rent a, kind of a bicycle ride, or you can take this horse carts because it's pretty huge. It's like 100 acres ride. So everyone, you see, most of the people are taking this rent, bicycles, and then they take a tour of it. See that fall color? It's so good. So good, right? Oh, wow. This is the actual fall color. Yeah, it's coming, see? This is really good. This is a nice statue. Yeah, okay, this is the Columbus statue. The great Columbus. Central Park is really beautiful. Oh, these nice paintings. These are like live paintings. So good. So as this is just near to the Halloween week, so everyone is enjoying the street. A lot of crowd, a lot of some paintings. You want to do your paintings? This is your photo, right? Women's rights. Yes. ବସିବାକୁ କାହିଁ ସେଠି so beautiful song. Shake Shack is good. $10 photo. polarized pictures. These paintings are really good. A lot of pictures, only $10. Each 4 for $10. You want to take some souvenir? Good. Photo shoot is going on. Photo shoot. I think first baby photo shoot. These are like $5. Wow, this is so beautiful. There's a nice band going on. This is really good, really beautiful colors. There's some street dance.
Hey, focus! Mind your business. Mom, is this your child? Is this your only child? Oh,
Thank you.
don't worry, if you messed up, I'll help you make another. Now listen up, Happy. My partner, he's going over. Are you afraid? Yes or no? She said no. Give us that,
Oh wow. So you can do boating over here. You can do boating and all those things. You want to do?
We play Pokemon Go.
Okay. So here you can do the swimming, not swimming, sorry, boating. People are doing boating over here. Really doing boating. Oh, that's a huge line for the boating. So, and there the counter is there, you can book and then stand in the queue, right? And then you can do like 30 minutes they give for boarding, and within the 30 minutes you have to come. And 1 hour rental is like $20 plus deposit $30, cash only. They're taking only cash, and then total $40 you have to give, and $20 they will keep, and $20 $20 $20. Huge line. This is the boathouse banquet entrance. This place is really good. I like it. I mean, on Saturday, Sunday, you can come here, relax. All your tensions, everything will go away for sure. So do visit here who all are there in New York City. It's pretty in between, I mean, close to 42nd, and it's exactly in 59th Street. So it's close to the Times Square, right? So, yeah. Okay, so the best time to come to Central Park is in between October, like September last and October, so that you can see this beautiful fall colors, and you can have a good good what do we say, good boat rides, and then you enjoy the weather over here. This is so good. Please comment in my channel who all have visited Central Park and how you enjoyed it. Yes, those all are apartments, Central Park facing apartments. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's right. This is a pond, I think. Artificial pond they have created. Those are a lot of New York apartments. Yeah, this should be deep. Oh wow.
Hi, everybody.
This is really great.
Just take one of the bubble sticks and give it a try. And please don't forget to give a donation in the tip bucket placed up in front.
So
Have
good.
fun.
You gonna try or take one reels and go? Huh? Go. People are enjoying. These kids are really good. This is really nice.
Hi, everybody. Anyone can make fun.
Give me and go. This is the MetLife building. Mini Cooper.
It's like almost
No, coffee also. No, they do dresses and coffees both. People are playing here badminton. Beside, it's a huge ground for taking rest and all. People enjoying. Everyone relaxing. And that's in New York, all these buildings you are seeing, right? That's the New York. The park now. Yeah. Park.
Abbiamo risalito la sesta, sì, quindi loro sono ancora la settima e la sesta.
Awesome. Huh? See these beautiful flowers. This building is really good. Yeah, this is in Fifth Avenue. All the branded, costliest people stay over here. Wow. So some marriage celebration, I think.
So when I went there, she was pregnant.
Yes, we are at the Central Park. You'll see the color change inside.